Hello and welcome to Algorithmic Electronics. So in this video, I would like to introduce with you the final year project internship program organized by Algorithmic Electronics. So as per as this internship program is concerned, it's a 3-month program where we are going to teach you the artificial intelligence and machine learning concept, as well as we are going to teach you how to implement your project. For finally, as per the key aspects of this internship program is concerned, we are going to provide you free AI/ML course training, which is around 50 plus hours training and which includes 12 different training modules. Also, we will provide you free report and PPT for your final year project. Before joining this internship program, we are going to provide you 3 demo training sessions, so where you can understand the basic concepts of machine learning and artificial intelligence, basics of Python programming, and some algorithms will demonstrate step by step by writing step by step code. So that will be the 3 demo sessions we are going to provide with you. We are also providing 100% output guarantee for your final year project. Along with that, we are providing you opportunity to implement 10 mini project during your training, and we are going to provide you technical support till your final exam. So at the end of this internship, we are going to provide you the internship certificate, sponsorship letter, and all necessary documents which are required for your college purpose. Now, as far as the structure for this internship is concerned, so you can download the project list and the AML course syllabus by clicking this link, or you can click this link as well. And here you'll find the playlist where all the project demos are available, or otherwise you can click this button so that the it will open the YouTube page where the playlist is given and you can watch all the project demos. Now, this is the structure for this particular internship program. So we are going to cover these topics under this discussion. Now, first of all, we'll discuss the project pricing. Then second, we'll discuss the list of the already prepared projects for you. And then we'll discuss the free Python course syllabus, which will come along with this internship program and along with your project. Also, we'll discuss the free AIML course syllabus, which we are going to provide you along with this project internship. And then finally, we'll discuss where you can watch the project demo videos and the demo lectures. Now let's discuss the first and important thing is project pricing. Now, as far as the project pricing is concerned, we are having two different things. Now, number one is if you choose project from our list, and number two, any other project which is not in our list, but for example, you have chosen some other project other than our list, or the college has given you some specific project idea. In that case, the pricing will be different. Now, for the project from our list, there are two different things. One is with documentation wala thing, and other one is without documentation, or we are going to provide you the free pre-prepared PPT and the prepared report in the package where there is no documentation is included. Now, first of all, we'll discuss this 11K oblique 10K package. So actually, there will be a 1K discount on this particular package. So 11K will be given in 10K if you pay this particular fees one time. Now, first of all, as per the project training is concerned, we are going to provide you the training support till your final exam. Also, we'll be recording the complete training or the step-by-step explanation of your project, and that will be available online. That recorded video will be available for lifetime. And also, we are going to cover the live sessions and the doubt solving sessions where we are going to explain the line by line coding. And in case you are having any doubts in future, we can arrange the separate sessions for doubt clearing purpose. Then there will be a complete code. We are going to deploy the complete code. Now, as far as the technical support is concerned, it's all about the installations of softwares in your computers or solving any kind of software errors that are happening on your computer. So all those things will be covered under the technical support, and that will be given till your final exam. The next is the internship letter, sponsorship letter will be provided to you. The Python course will be provided as a free of cost service under this particular package. Now we'll discuss shortly what is the syllabus for this particular course. Then PPT. We will provide you free pre-prepared PPT. We have created PPT in our format, which includes nearly all the points which is required for your uh, college PPT. So that will be provided for free, and also the report, which is pre-prepared, will be provided to you for free. Now these two documents are pre-prepared, and the paper will not be provided in this particular package. And in case the college suggests small changes in the project, if the changes are minor and feasible, then that will be covered without any cost. That will be free of cost. But in case of there is some major change in the project, that will be chargeable. There will be no changes in the documentation part. For example, if college suggests any changes in the PPT report, that is not included in this particular package. And in case you need some extra material for your PPT and the report, then you will have to prepare that particular material for this particular package. And if there is some extra material in our PPT and report, you will have to remove. So you will have to rearrange your PPT and report as per your college format. So the college index will be different. Whatever we have prepared, that may be slightly different. So you will have to rearrange the content. But otherwise, we have provided you all the or will provide you all the content as per the Pune University pattern. But in case there is some missing content or some extra content, then you will have to rearrange that. That's the thing in this particular package. And there will be a free AI/ML course. Again, we will be discussing the syllabus for this course shortly. So that will include 12 different training modules and 6 different courses and 50 plus hours training. That will be free of cost under this particular package, and that will be provided as a free of cost only when you pay this amount one time. And for one time payment, there is discount also. So 1k discount will be provided if you pay this particular amount one time. So that means if you pay 10k one time, so this 11k wala package will be given in 10k. So that is 1k discount plus this AI/ML course will be given to you. Now if you choose the project from our list and you need documentation part from us, so that means if you are not ready to edit the freely provided PPT and report, you need that editing part from us. In that case, this package you can consider, which is 16k oblique 15k package. So if you pay one time, there will be 1k discount. Means that will be at 15k plus this AI/ML course is there. So everything is same. Only thing is that instead of free pre-prepared PPT, we will make PPT as per your college requirement and as per your college format, as per your college index. The second is report. Also we will make report as per your college requirement, and there will be one paper writing also included in this package. Otherwise rest of the stuff is same. And if you consider any other project which is not in our list, any other project outside to our list, maybe college has suggested you some topic or you have selected some different topic other than our list. So in this case, the packages are same. Only thing is that in 10k package, we will not be able to provide you PPT report, these things. So these things are free here, but that are not available or in this particular package. But this 15k package and this 15k package is completely same. There is no difference between these two packages. Okay, so next is we'll discuss the project list. So this is the project list. You can see there is code and the project title. So many projects are here. So if you choose this project or any project from this particular list, then you will get report, PPT, project, AI/ML course, Python course, internship certificate, sponsorship letter, everything only in 10k. Now this is the list, and you can check out this list, and the demo videos or the demonstrations of all these projects is available on our YouTube channel. For that purpose, the link is given at the end of this PDF and also on the website that I have shown to you. Okay, so this is the content for free Python course. So as far as the project implementation is concerned, as you are going to implement project in AI/ML domain, for example, then you must understand the Python programming. So along with the project training, we are providing you the basic Python programming so that you will be familiar with the Python programming skills or the Python programming concepts, and then you will understand your project much better. So these are the topics which you are going to consider. And then there is free AI/ML course, and this is the syllabus. This course will be given for free only when if you pay all the fees at one time. For example, for 10k package, if you pay 10k in one installment, then you will be given this course for free. Now in this particular course, we are providing 12 different training modules and 6 courses we are combining together. That is Python course, then there is machine learning course, then there is deep learning course, then there is NL NLP wala course, then there is web development course, and there is computer vision course. So all those things will be provided to you free of cost. Now first module is basic Python programming. So here the fundamentals of Python programming, how to install the softwares, everything is given over here. The functions, modules, and packages are also included in here. Then second is advanced Python programming. So here we are going to consider the object oriented programming concepts of Python, then sending the text SMS, database programming, and sending the email wala thing. Now, as far as the machine learning is concerned, the machine learning is all about handling the data sets. So the data set are mostly prepared in the CSV format. Mostly they are in the form of list or in the arrays. So in order to deal with the arrays, we are having the NumPy Python library. And in order to deal with the CSV files, we are having the Pandas library. So these two libraries will consider under this course. So first of all, NumPy library. So here all the concept related to the array handling are covered. Now secondly, there is Pandas library, so which will be helpful to deal with the CSV file. So that is also covered over here. The next is, once you are having the data set which is cleaned by the Pandas library, which is prepared by the NumPy library, next is to visualize that data set, understanding the relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Now for that purpose, we can plot graphically, and for that purpose, we are going to understand the Python's one of the important module or the library called matplotlib. So under this, we can have line graphs, bar chart, pie chart, histograms, and so many different graphs. So now once we are done with these things, like understanding the libraries, understanding the Python programming concepts, object oriented programming concepts, then the different libraries of Pythons and everything, now we are prepared to handle the machine learning tasks, and now we are ready to deal with the machine learning applications. Now here, the first of all, we'll understand the theoretical aspects of machine learning, where the introductions to the machine learning, types of machine learning, then classification, data set, how we can obtain the data sets, what is supervised machine learning, what is unsupervised machine learning, classification versus regression, everything we are going to understand here. Now next is supervised machine learning. So under this, basically we are going to understand the classification and regression problem statement. In the first module, we'll understand the regression algorithm. So where simple linear regression, then the multiple linear regression, logistic regressions, and different types of regression we are going to understand over here. Now next is the classification. So here we are going to understand so many different types of classification algorithms. So as per the classification is concerned, for example, uh, detecting the brain tumor, lung cancer detection, kidney stone detection, such kind of problems can be solved using the classification algorithm. So that's what we are going to understand under this particular topic. Now there will be unsupervised machine learning. So here again, the clustering algorithms will be understanding. Next is natural language processing. So under this module, we will understand how the computer can be trained to understand the natural languages such as English or any other natural languages, and how we can design the chatbots, or how we can extract the meaning from text, so that we can classify whether the particular email is a spam email or the general email, or even we can understand whether the particular review is the genuine review or the fake review about that particular product. Now next is the computer vision. So here we are going to provide eyes to the computer so that the computer can see through the eyes. Now here the camera can be considered as the computer's eyes, and through the camera the computer can recognize the faces, recognize the emotions, can recognize the age, gender of particular persons. So many things can be done using the computer vision. So importantly, here we are going to consider convolutional neural network algorithm, and there are so many different types of CNN algorithms or their architectures we are going to understand. And there are two important concepts called transfer learning and the learning from the scratch. So everything we are going to consider under this particular topic. And the last module is web application development. So once you are um, ready to design the machine learning application or the deep learning algorithm, the next important task is to provide a GUI or the graphical user interface to that application, so that any user can interact with your uh, application very easily, and he will find that this is user friendly application. So for that purpose, the Python's Flask framework will be used to develop the web application. Now these are the topics which we are going to consider under this. Now after doing this, you will be able to implement so many projects, nearly 10 mini projects we will be considering during the training itself. We are going to implement all those projects step by step. Step by step coding will be implemented, and you can also practice that coding at your end. Step by step you can write the codes. Now, in case you need the demo lectures for the all the implemented projects or whatever project which are listed in our list, so their demonstrations are available. So you can click on this link or on our website. This is algorithmic-electronics.in/projects. So here there is button project demos. So with that you can redirect to the YouTube page and where the playlist will open. So in this playlist, you will find there are demo lectures for each and every project which is mentioned in that list. So you can watch all these demo videos, and you can select or you can choose the project of your choice. And also for the machine learning course or AIML course, before joining this internship program or with the before taking any project from us, you can watch the 3 demo sessions. Now first is all about fundamentals of machine learning, where we have explained what is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Then there is basics of programming. So here you can see the how the Python programming language is implemented, or how we can set up the computer for the Python programming. And then there is classification algorithms, KNN and SVM, K nearest neighbor, and the support vector machines. So that is what we have implemented by writing step by step code. So you can understand all those things, or you can learn the demo sessions, and after that you can consider joining the internship program. So this is all about the algorithmic electronics final year project internship program. So in case if you are interested to join this program, so you can definitely contact us. This is our office address, and here is the contact number on which you can contact, or there is the register button. From here you can actually register to this internship program. In case you are having any kind of doubts and queries, you can definitely call us. We are ready to solve your any doubt and any queries regarding this internship program. Okay, so thank you so much for attending this session.